In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a landing page in Clickfunnels 2.0. We'll walk through this together step by step so you can follow along on your own screen. To start, once you're logged into your Clickfunnels 2.0 account, look over to the menu on the left-hand side. From that left-hand menu, click on Landing Pages. This will open up the Landing Pages dashboard. Think of this dashboard as your control center for all the landing pages in your account. From here, you can see what you've already created, and this is also where you'll create anything new. Now, to create a brand new landing page, look toward the top right corner of the dashboard and click the button labeled New Landing Page. As soon as you click that, ClickFunnels will present you with a selection of templates. These templates are pre-designed layouts that give you a starting point so you don't have to build everything from scratch. Take a moment to browse the available templates. You'll see options like opt-in pages, which are great for collecting email addresses or leads, thank you pages, which you can send people to after they sign up or purchase, resource or download pages for delivering a guide or a file, and simple informational pages if you just need to share details about an offer or event. Choose the template that best fits what you're trying to achieve with this landing page. You can always customize it later, so focus on the overall structure that feels closest to your goal. Once you've selected a template, you'll be prompted to enter some basic page information. Start with the page name. Give your landing page a unique, descriptive name so you can easily recognize it later, especially if you end up creating multiple pages. Next, you'll see a field for AI instructions. Here, you can briefly describe the purpose of your landing page, like whether it's for a free guide, a webinar registration, or a limited time offer. This is optional, but it can help generate some initial content that you can then tweak. You'll also set the page URL. This is the part that comes after your main domain, such as free guide or webinar signup. If the URL you choose is already taken inside your account, ClickFunnels will suggest some alternatives, so you can pick something close to what you originally wanted. Then, select a style. This is where you choose a global style that matches your branding. Using a consistent style keeps your fonts, colors, and overall look aligned with the rest of your site or funnel. Below that, you'll find the SEO and sharing settings. In the page title field, enter the title you want to appear in browser tabs and in search results. Make it clear and relevant to the content of the page. For the page description, write a concise summary up to about 160 characters that explains what visitors can expect. This is what search engines often show under your title. There's also an option to index the page in search engines. Turn this on if you want your landing page to be discoverable on platforms like Google and Bing, and turn it off if you prefer to keep it hidden from search results, for example, if it's only for paid traffic. Finally, you can upload a sharing image. This is the image that will appear when the link is shared on social media or in messaging apps, so choose something eye-catching and relevant. When you're happy with all these settings, go ahead and click Create Page. ClickFunnels will now generate your landing page based on the template and options you selected. After a moment, your new page will open in the editor, where you can further customize the text, images, layout, and any other elements to match your brand and your specific offer.